further off on this side than on the pavement.
Right, up we go then. Dark, isn't it? So I've been trying to get the camera to work for a bit. A little. It usually does it when it's windy, but it's not windy. I don't understand. This is polished, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, you got views now. There's somebody in front, sorry, next to them. Okay. I'll put the talking bit out. Up to this, now we're going to head right down to pick up a path leading to Pendrin Hill. Or is it Mopendrin?
Mopendrin.
Mopendrin. So we need to go right.
Ah, the way that we're going.
She's using the post. Wow, that's awesome with the sun now.
Yeah, well.
Right, made a few mistakes this morning. I think we're on the right path now. Heading to Pendrin Hill. Fine. Mopendrin, why do I keep calling it that? Keep going fucking on the way to Mopendrin. Sorry? Not quite.
Do either, my mate.
Yeah, I think
So
it looks like a gate there, does it?
Yeah, so we'll go up there, bang her right.
Yep, onto the summit. Get one on the way in. Hey?
What have you dropped in it today?
No, nothing, it's just coffee, mate. Just coffee today.
It peeled me up last time.
Here we go then, final ascent. Call it that. Okay, for all go. And look at that for a view, man. Just over 300 metres, haven't we?
Yeah, just got to pop up onto the top and then come and get me.
What are you going to get at? Up onto the top, sun shining. That is just stunning.
Number 121.
I don't know how to break it to you, but there's a little bit of down and a little bit of up before we get there.
As long as it's only a little bit and not a full.
It's only a little bit, but it's there.
This is the ice you're going to be. So that weren't that bad, was it?
No, that was alright.
It's alright, was it? Right?
There we go.
There we are then, peak 1, and also the last peak,
Yes, the first and last of today.
before we join the Waterfalls Trail.
Number 138.
Number something or other, 26 somewhere. Woo! We want that in the background, don't we?
Fantastic. It's got to be.
Yeah, I would say so. Have you?
Yeah.
Don't worry, just in case you do.
See, she's just made that bit. Yeah, you got pan.
Yeah, we're professionals now, we get a bit suspicious about paths. That was Pendrin Hill. No, it wasn't, was it? It was Mo Pendrin. God. No. Right, that was Mo Pendrin. Head down to the Waterfall Trail now, where we're going to be on nice paths for the rest of the day. No more of this indistinctness. Right, so that's where we want to go, down there. I think this is a path. even if it's just a sheep path, it's a path. If they can do it, I can do it. That's it, keep barring, then the path will get confused.
Sheep and goats can do a lot more than you can do.
I don't know, can they drive a car?
Yes. Yes, they can.
I don't believe you.
You've not seen them on the telly.
Can they weave yarn?
You've not seen them on the telly driving cars.
I have done, but in fact, no, they probably can drive. I'm saying they could drive golf carts.
No, only kids parking.
I found the path. But usually if you just sort of head straight for it, it appears eventually. You have to will it into existence.
That's spiky.
Oh, I got that, I know, I forgot. I was going to tell you if I forgot.
Thanks, Duke.
There's a spiky thing there, Finn. Watch your legs.
Oh, watch your legs.
Just watch your legs, mate.
Hang on.
Oh, you'll be okay, it's not too bad.
No spikes that way.
I'm gonna move it for you as well.
Hey, here we are. That was definitely the right way.
I've got these spikes all through my legs today.
We've got food. It's the cockerel you want to worry about. Hey, get off my bag. There's only a camera in there, mate. You won't want to eat that. Hello, horses. Yeah, they probably would. They might die afterwards. I seen it coming, I was like...
That is not a fruit pasta.
We've picked up some new members.
New hiking crew.
Grazing along the
Yeah.
way.
Horse adventures.
They don't like fruit pastels.
No. And we've got video evidence of that as well. So as long as the Land Rover don't come along, we'll be alright. Heading down that way then. Waterfalls this way.
And we're not far off the first one.
No. So we just follow the signpost now then. Easy peasy. Style. Don't matter where that goes. That's not where we're going.
Fancy that way, it's a bit spiky.
We'll head down to the falls then. Hopefully we can see one soon.
It's the Field High Street. People running for the fucking hills because someone's got a 1987 fucking CCTV fucking grainy footage of a lump and said, that's a cat.
More and more autumnal.
You wanted that earlier.
Yeah, I did. That's one thing I wanted out today, was an autumnal scene.
And the one thing I didn't think about it when you said you wanted different coloured trees is the fir trees.
Yeah, yeah.
They ain't going to turn brown and lose
No,
the
that's
leaves.
it, yeah. You should see nothing but grass, isn't it? That's your one. Say the name then, Tanya. Yeah. Scud I Era we're going to go with.
You are here.
We are here.
That's where we're going. And then you've got green or red.
So we're going to take, yeah, we're going to take the green one, just follow the river up.
Follow that down.
So if you were going from the normal car park, you'd probably come down the red route to this one first and then back up.
Okay. Makes sense.
Let's do this. Here we are then, fall number 1. Scud I Era. Doing my best. So you gotta go underneath it to cross the river, Tanya. Yeah, this is going to be amazing. Or we're going to die, one of the two. Careful of the tree roots. That is epic. It's wetting me here. I'm going to put a coat on, I think. Oh yes! Wow, look at that! Careful, Dan. Loud under there. Woo. Wow. Come on, Fido. Oh, I'm going to get out the other side, so I'm going to go. Woohoo! Unbelievable. Thank you. Well, I'm going to have a go at the next one. I'm going to wipe my camera. Scud Clinquin? I think so. Scud Clinquin?
That's one of the ones at the top, look.
Yeah. Sweet. Oh, sit down time. Yeah, right then. The next one then. That one.
So go down.
Yep, down there.
15 minutes.
Hey, oh there, that's not bad, is it? Looks like the top of a pumpkin. 15-minute walk. There we go, that's more like it.
I've even got a food bag if you want it to fit in.
Oh, we're going to take it.
Stalk on it,
Wow,
she says.
that's a better one.
When your air starts to thin and the beer belly flows.
I'm trying to find the one I've seen on the photo. Yep, good now. Hey.
You stopped there. I was coming up.
Oh right, did you carry on?
I was looking at you. I was watching your feet. That's what I was
Be
looking
careful,
at.
be careful. I found the scrambles.
Take your word for it, pal. There you go, Tom. Easy.
Well, so the footpath up to the main track's closed, so we've got to retrace all the way up that muddy track again. So bear that in mind. Come on. Right then, waterfall number 4. Come a long way around.
Come on, boy.
4 down, 4 to go. Waterfalls there.
Well, there's nothing there, mate.
Hey?
Nothing there, straight down.
No, it isn't. It's like mud as well, isn't it? Right, and we want to cross there. Oh, it's a lovely gentle river down here. I've got to do the style bit. Over the style.
Over the style.
Just mean this is where this. Yeah, we're going over here, look, and then we go around here and it's up a lane.
All directions. And
quite a high one. Has it got a signpost as well? Only for down there. I think we've got to go left, don't we? Brilliant. Oh no. No, no, it's the way it wants us to go, isn't it? This is leading round to the top of that lane.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes.
Literally nobody. Look at this place. Right, walking down the road. Elidir Trail.
closed for Waterfall.
Yeah, no doubt. This one should be a lot quieter if this is the only road to it.
Yeah.
Right then, part 2 of this adventure.
What we're calling this adventure.
God, I don't know. God knows. I'm going to call it the God knows adventure. This is a lot more. This is a lot more what I thought the other bit would be like. Yeah, maybe it's one of these that are good. That's dodgy in itself. Biscuit. Hey. Wow. It's scummy, isn't it?
You need to get round there to see it.
That's where we've got to go anyway, I think. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I think you'd probably go to the bottom of this and then cut back. Or even down one of these, it's up to you. The hidden one up there. That's a slippy route that way. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely stunning place. Whoa, epic! Scramble up that if it was right. Airfit, man. Woo!
Does Aidan fall under your section at work?
You're Matty. Bloody mad.
Oh, half an hour to the town.
Oh, is that what it says?
What it says on there. Oh, back to Pontneddfechan. Up nothing. I was going to say, they don't mind if you get knocked on the head by a tree. Fucking hell, that is more dangerous, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
That's quite tough. Very graceful.
Thank you.
I made a right meal of that, didn't I? Even Finno with his humongous bag got through. Here we are at the pub. Hey! Top dollar that. Back at the Angel.